Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to put back the smart handle on Lexus NX300. Okay, we start with the rubber seal what is underneath the handle. Just slide in nicely to the correct position. Okay, and then put back this plastic. Okay, and then tight with a T30 screwdriver. You can hold just in case. Okay, and then gently slide in first this way and click in. Okay, and then you need to close the white plastic lock and pressing in to the electric wire loom, and then we joining back to the lock cable, the two cable to the top, and the bottom hole is the lock wire loom, and typing back gently to the foil. Don't forget, put back this hole cover, this. Come on. Oh, this is wrong. Where is the correct one? Where is the correct one? Oh, here we are. I find the correct one. Voila. And let's try testing. Work perfectly, and we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.